Good morning students, all of you, good morning. Today I am going to discuss some more questions important in 3 marks. If x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta, y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Find dy by dx. Here x is a function of theta, y is also a function of theta. We want to find dy by dx. First find dx by d theta and dy by d theta. Of that we will find dy by dx. Given x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta. Differentiate with respect to x on both these sides. So d by d theta of x, we will write it as dx by d theta is equal to a is constant coefficient, keep it same, a into d by d theta of cos theta is minus sin theta. In the place of theta, theta only, then d by d theta of theta is 1. Next, d by d theta of theta into sin theta. Use u into v form. So here, theta, d by d theta of sin theta is cos theta. In the place of theta, theta won't there. Plus sin theta into d by d theta of theta is 1. So this is a into minus sin theta. So before this bracket plus sign is there, then plus into plus, plus theta cos theta, plus into plus sin theta. So this is sin theta. Here minus sin theta plus sin theta gets cancelled. Remaining is a theta cos theta. This is the value of dx by d theta. Now take y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta on both these sides. d by d theta of y, we will write it as dy by d theta is equal to a is constant coefficient, keep it same. Then d by d theta of sin theta is cos theta minus of d by d theta of theta into sin cos theta. So use here u into v form. U d by d theta of cos theta is, this is minus sin theta, plus cos theta, keep it same, d by d theta of theta is 1. Simplify this, a into, so this is cos theta minus, this is theta into minus sin theta is minus theta sin theta, minus theta sin theta, plus cos theta into 1 is cos theta. Then expand this bracket. So this is a into, so this is cos theta minus of minus plus theta sin theta minus into plus minus cos theta. So here plus cos theta minus cos theta gets cancelled. Then this value is a theta sin theta. Now we want to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta into d theta by dx. This one we will write it as dy by d theta this into value, right, in by case. So this is dx by d theta. So dy by d theta value is a theta sin theta. But dx by d theta is equal to a theta cos theta. So here a theta into sin theta, a theta into cos theta. Here a theta gets cancelled. Remaining is sin theta by cos theta. We'll write it as tan theta. So dy by dx is equal to tan theta. Next numerical. Find dy by dx. If x is equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by y is equal to a sin t. Here given x is equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by y is equal to a sin. Here x and y are in t variables. We want to find dy by dx means find dx by dt and dy by dt. So first dx by dt we want to calculate. Given x is equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by differentiate with respect to t on both this side. d by dt of x we will write it as dx by dt is equal to a into d by dt of cos t is minus sin t. In the place of t only there. d by dt of t is 1 plus d by dt of log of tan t by d by dx of log x is equal to, we will write it as 1 by x. Here d by dt of log of tan t by 2 is 1 by tan t by 2. Here in the place of t not there. Then differentiate with respect to t. Then d by dt of tan t by 2 is equal to secant square t by 2. Because d by dx of tan x is secant square x. So here d by dt of tan of t by 2 will write it as secant square t by 2. Again in the place of t is not there. Then d by dt of t by 2 is 1 by 2. Simplify this. A into minus sin t, keep it same, plus d by dt of 1 by tan t by 2. So 1 by tan is nothing but cot t by 2. Cot t by 2 I am going to write cos t by 2 by sin t by 2 into secant square t by 2. Secant square t by 2. Secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Secant square t by 2 I am writing 1 by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. So this is a into, here 1 cos t by 2 gets cancelled in cos square t by 2 cos t by 2 times. So this is minus sin t plus 1 by 2 into sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Then here 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2 is nothing but a sin of 2 into t by 2. Then this is 1 by sin t. Then find LCM. So here there is no value in denominator, means that value is 1. Here sin t, 1 and sin t, LCM is sin t is LCM. Then 1 is a factor in sin t is sin t. Sin t into minus sin t is minus sin square plus sin t in sin t is a factor of 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So this is also equal to 1 minus sin square t. We will write it as cos square t by sin t. Next, given y is equal to a sin t, then differentiate with respect to t on both this side. dy by dt of y, we will write it as dy by dt is equal to a is a constant coefficient. Keep it safe. dy by dt of sin t is cos. Now we want to find dy by dx. So dy by dx, we will write it as dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt is, what is that? A cos t. By dx by dt is nothing but a cos square t by sin t. So this value is simplified. So a cos t, right, keep it same. This by convert into, then this one changes to sin t by a cos square t. So this a gets cancelled. This cos t cancels in cos square t is cos t times. So remaining is sin t by cos t, nothing but tan t. Next numerical, if x is equal to root over a power sin inverse y is equal to root over a power cos inverse, show that dy by dx is equal to minus of y by x. So here x is a function in t, y is also a function in t. We want to prove dy by dx is equal to in terms of x and y. So we want to remove that t variable. X is a function of t, y is a function of t. So if you want to remove t means, given x is equal to root over a power sin inverse, squaring on both this side. So x square is equal to a power sin inverse, y is equal to root over a power cos inverse t. Here also squaring on both this side. Y square is equal to a power cos inverse t. Now x square into y square. So x square is nothing but a power sin inverse t into y square is a power cos inverse. So x square y square is equal to a to the power of m into a to the power of n. We will write it as a to the power of m plus n. So a to the power of sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. So x square y square is equal to a power. In inverse trigonometry we know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So here I am going to write a to the power of sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. I am writing pi by 2. Now differentiate with respect to x on both this side. So x square y into y square is equal to a to the power of pi by 2. Differentiate with respect to x on both this side. So d by dx of x square into y square is equal to d by dx of a to the power of pi by 2. So here d by dx of x square into y square, y is a function in x. So due to that reason, differentiate with respect to x means u into v consequent. So then d by dx of u, keep it same. d by dx of v, y square derivative 2y. Then in the place of y, x not there. d by dx of y, we will write it as dy by dx plus y square into d by dx of x square is 2x. So d by dx of u, keep it same. Then d by dx of v is y square derivative is 2 by dy by dx plus y square, keep it same. d by dx of x square is 2x. Then d by dx of a to the power of pi by 2 is constant. Constant derivative is 0. Now we want to find dy by dx. So keep it dy by dx terms on one side. So 2x square by dy by dx is equal to. Then other than dy by dx terms are shift the other side. So then this plus y square 2x shift the other side minus 2x y square. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2x y square. This into value shift this side. 2x square y. So 2 gets cancelled, 1x gets cancelled, and here 1 y gets cancelled. So this is minus r in numerator y only there and the denominator x only there. So dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Hence prove. Find dy by dx. If x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3 using parametric equations. Solution. Put x is equal to a cos cubed put x is equal to a cos cubed and y is equal to a sin cubed. X is equal to a cos cubed t means and y is equal to a sin cube t. Substitute in x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3. So a cos cube t whole power 2 by 3 plus a sin cube t whole power 2 by 3. So simplify this. This is ab whole power m. So then we'll write it as a to the power of m into b to the power of m. This is also same a b whole to the power of m. So a to the power of m into b to the power of m. So here a to the power of 2 by 3 into a to the power of 2 by 3. So common out a to the power of 2 by 3 from these two terms. So by taking common a to the power of 2 by 3 remaining is this is cos cube t whole power 2 by 3. A to the power of m whole to the power of m. A to the power of m n. So 3 into 2 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled. Remaining is cos square plus. So already taken a to the power of 2 by 3 common. Then remaining is sin cube t whole to the power of 2 by 3. Then it seems to be the formula a to the power of m whole to the power of m. A to the power of m into m. So 3 into 2 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. Then remaining is sin square t whatever it may be. Sin square t plus cos square t or cos square t plus sin square t. Value is 1. So this is a to the power of 2 by 3 into 1. So this value is a to the power of 2 by 3. By taking substitution a cos cube t y is equal to a sin cube t, we reach x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3. So therefore x is equal to a cos cube t and y is equal to a sin cube t are the parametric equations of this given equation. So x is a function of t, y is a function of t. Then find dx by dt and dy by dt. So here x is equal to a cos cube t. Then differentiate with respect to t on both this side. So dx by dt is equal to a cos cube t means cos t whole cube. First it seems to be the formula x cube. X cube derivative is 3x square. So x square means here in the place of x is cos t there, cos square. So in the place of t naught there means then differentiate cos t. Cos t differentiation is minus sin t. So this is minus 3a cos square t into sin t. Then y is equal a sin cube t. So differentiate with respect to t on both this side. d by dt of y, we will write it as dy by dt is equal to a. It is x cube pattern. So x cube pattern, derivative of x cube is 3x square. 3 into sin square t. In the place of t naught there, then derivative of sin t is cos t. So this is 3a sin square t into cos t. Now we want to find dy by dx. So dy by dx we will write it as dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt is 3a sin square t into cos t. But dx by dt is minus 3a cos square t into sin t. So this 3a gets cancelled. One sin t cancels here in sin square t and cos t cancels in cos square t. So this is minus, remaining is sin t by cos t. So sin t by cos t. So this is nothing but minus tan. Now we want to say this answer dy by dx not in t terminology. So x is equal to a cos cube t, y is equal to a sin cube t. So y by x is equal to y by x is equal to y is equal to a sin cube t and x is equal to a cos cube t. So a gets cancelled. So y by x is equal to sin cube t by cos cube t means this is tan cube t. So this implies tan t is equal to cube root of y by x. So we want to write dy by dx in terms of x and y. So dy by dx is equal to minus tan t means this is minus r cube root of y by x. Next numerical, if x is equal to a into cos t plus t sin t and y is equal to a into sin t plus minus t cos t, find d square y by dx square. So here given x is equal to a into cos t plus t sin t. Differentiate with respect to t on both this side. So d by dt of x, we will write it as dx by dt is equal to a is constant, coefficient keep it same. d by dt of cos t, we will write it as minus sin t. In the place of t only there, d by dt of t is 1. Next, plus d by dt of t into sin t. So here use u into v formula. So u means t keep it same. d by dt of sin t is cos t plus sin t keep it same. Then d by dt of t is 1. It is a into minus sin t. So before this bracket plus is there. So then this is t cos t plus sin t. Minus sin t plus sin t gets cancelled. So dx by dt is equal to a into t cos t. So a t cos t. Value is dx by dt. Next, y is equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Then differentiate with respect to t on both this side. d by dt of y, we will write it as dy by dt is equal to a is constant, coefficient, keep it same. d by dt of sin t is cos t minus of d by dt of t cos t. So t cos t means this is used here u into p formula. So t constant, keep it same here. U derivative of cos t is minus sin t plus cos t, keep it same. d by dt of t is 1. Simplify this. So this is a into cos t minus t sin t, before minus there minus of minus plus t sin t. So this minus into plus is minus cos t. So minus cos t plus cos t gets cancelled. Remaining is, what is that? A t sin t. So dy by dt is equal to a t sin t and dx by dt is equal to a t cos t. So first we want to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt is a t sin t by dx by dt is a t cos t. So a t gets cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to sin t by cos t is nothing but tan. But we want to find d square by dx square. This is dy by dx. So d square by dx square means differentiate with respect to x on both this side. So d by dx of dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan t. So d by dx of dy by dx, we will write it as d square y by dx square. So then d by dx of tan t means I am going to write this is d by dt of tan t into dt by dx. Because of here, this is in terms of t variable only. So we want to differentiate this one in terms of t variable only. So this is d by dt of tan t is secant to square t. This into dt by dx I am writing here by dx by dt. We know that dx by dt is equal to, in terms of t is a t cos t. So this is nothing but secant to square t by dx by dt is a t cos t. So 1 by cos t is nothing but secant to t. So this is secant to square t into secant to t by a. So d square by dx square is equal to secant to square t into secant to t is secant to cube t by a